Elisha?
Mommy,
What do you have today, Elisha?
a microwave.
Is that a microwave? Let me see. Just like home. Wow, let's read it. Right here?
Wow.
Microwave 10 pieces of toys. Wow. And they also have chicken inside and a bread and a burger. Okay, Elisha, unboxing time. Come on, unbox it. Uh-oh.
Smile.
Come on, for the chicken. Can you sit here on this side? Okay, that's the chicken. Okay, you show them how to. What are they cooking? Oh, it's a bigger chicken.
Yeah, and this one is the ball one.
Okay.
Chicken done.
Chicken all done. Wow, nice. What else? How about the hamburger?
The lettuce. This one is the lettuce, Mommy.
What's that?
Cheese.
Oh my, are you going to put the cheese in the microwave?
Hurry over there.
Okay. What are you making?
Making that. Making the
Chicken? Oh yeah, you get two chicken and cheeseburger. Can you make cheeseburger for me? Okay. Come on. Yeah, you put in the bread. Where's the burger? And the cheese and the burger. You forgot the burger. There you go. What about the what? Oh yeah. Like Pop the Pig. Oh yeah. There you go. I'm so hungry. Where is it? Give it to me. I'm so hungry. No, give it to me, please. Where is it? Okay. Okay, thank you. Wow. That's so yummy. Cheeseburger. With lettuce, with tomato. Wow. What's next? What's that? Okay. Is that for me too? Wow, thank you very much, Elisha. Elisha, thank you very much for the food. Thank you. Wow. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's so hot. Put that in the plate. It's so hot. Yeah, sure. Where is it? Thank you. Yeah. Okay, I'll be careful. Thank you so much for the food. What? Here. Is that for me too? Wow. That's a bigger one. Oh yeah. And the hot dog too is for me? Wow. How much is it? $3? Oh, $3? Thank you. Where's my food? It's hot. Be careful. It's hot. Put it here. Thank you very much. There's more? Really?
Yeah. Keep put the cheeseburger.
Is that yummy cheese? Wow. Oh really? I thought it's for me again. Because I pay you $3, right? Remember?
Here.
Oh, you're giving it back? Why?
How
Okay.
You put it in your pocket?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, found it.
Wow, that's yummy. Can I have cheeseburger?
Daddy?
Where is it? Oh, there's no burger there.
I put it up there.
Okay, what is it? Oh, there?
Just give me this one. And then make it.
Okay.
And then if you do.
What's that? Wow.
See, Dad, I told you to make it.
Oh, yeah.
For your older daddy. Then this one is. Give me the corn.
Open it. It's done.
You
Yeah.
have to be careful. Okay, where mommy glove, Daddy.
It's hot.
Okay. Yeah.
It's hot. Be careful. Be careful. It's really, really hot. It's really, really hot. Be careful. Oh! Got it!
Oh, you cheeseburger.
Good job. Good job, Elisha.
Cheeseburger. Oh, you cheeseburger in your own thing. I'm gonna make this one.
Can I say bye-bye first?
Make it for water by pizza pie. Bye.
Hello, kiss. Bye-bye. See you again. God bless.
Bye.